Welcome to inspectX, our intuitive web and tablet-based platform that's designed to help you efficiently manage your structure inventory and inspections. inspectX includes two main components, the Office module and the Field module. The Office module is a web portal where you can manage your inventory, schedule, inspection, and maintenance activities. The system automatically tracks the health and performance of your inventory without you having to perform any complicated queries. You can filter by any parameter such as ownership, condition, or age and quickly locate structures using our interactive GIS map. inspectX monitors upcoming and overdue inspections on a monthly basis, so you can better manage your inspection crew and ensure timely inspections to meet FHWA metric compliance. Once scheduled, you can easily manage inspections that are ongoing and under review. inspectX provides a simple interface to track maintenance activities from inspector recommendations to work completion. This allows you to keep an accurate record of maintenance history for your bridge inventory. The Field module allows inspectors to collect inspection data using any tablet device. Data collection has never been simpler. With inspectX, an internet connection is not required in the field. This is particularly helpful when the structure is located in remote areas where cell signal is spotty. inspectX is designed for both NBI and element inspections. The application walks inspectors through the data collection process to ensure accuracy. It also has built-in reference to the NBI coding guide and AssetIntel element manual, removing the need to carry a user manual during the inspection. Inspectors can take photos straight from the tablet, add captions, and assign them to any attribute, element, defect, or maintenance item. There's no need to manually organize and upload photos back in the office. The tablet can also be turned into a multi-purpose sketchpad. Inspectors can freehand sketch or import and mark up any photos. Once the inspection is complete, simply sync the inspection data to the server. inspectX will automatically populate the inspection report per your agency format. There's no need for manual data entry back in the office, saving inspectors valuable time. As you can see, inspectX is entirely paperless. It's designed to streamline your inventory and inspection management workflow. On average, agencies using inspectX will improve time efficiency by 30%. inspectX is also integrated with AssetIntel BRM by allowing data transfer between the two applications. It combines the best of both worlds by feeding reliable inspection data from inspectX to a bridge management system already used by most states. Contact us to learn how inspectX can benefit your agency.